Got LV in the shop. LV's gonna go find his new bike right now.
Where do I go?
In the back. Here.
Walk this way?
Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Oh sh. Oh sh.
Yeah, smile.
It's like a kid on Christmas, man.
Dude, it's so sick. Pull it apart. This is you, man. You wanna help on this side?
Yeah.
Got your black. Yeah? It was black, white, or gray, so.
I was hoping it was gonna be black.
Good. You got your black. Grand prize, baby. Damn. Sick.
The 7.9 Falcon Pro comes loaded out of the gate with a 10 kilowatt peak motor, a top speed of 90 kilometers an hour with a range of 120, coming from a 72 volt, 35 amp hour lithium LG battery with a charge time of 3.5 hours. This bike will give you large range and tons of power to explore wherever you want. It also comes with a Fast Ace 2.0 fork and some really nice lighting features that I feel accent the bike really well, including rear turn signals, a bright headlight, and a motor light that even lets you know when you're stopping or in park mode. The bike comes in 3 colors. Here, for LV, we have the black. It also comes in silver and white. This is also going to have a tunable controller out of the gate. Thank you so much to 7.9 for giving us the chance to give this to one lucky rider. We are so lucky to see LV on it this year.
This thing moves in eco. This is crazy.
How's it feel?
Yo, it definitely feels way faster than a Talaria. That wasn't even sport. This thing rips. It feels insane. Shall I put it in sport? Feels insane.